Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's your favorite girl right here, May. Today I will be showing you guys how to get the casting makeup look. Alright, as you can see right now I am not wearing any makeup or skincare, and I'll be showing you step by step what I'll be doing, and also I will be sharing with you guys what casting is and what I've learned during my training with basic models management in Singapore. They have taught me so much, and I want to share with you guys a little bit of idea what modeling, casting, and what happens during a casting. Alright, let's jump right into it. Right now I'll be doing my skincare first, of course, and I'll be using my favorite L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Micro Accents as my toner. Okay, so what's casting? Casting is a little interview or a meetup with your casting agent, director, or client. Even if they have seen your book or your comp card through your agency, they still want to meet with you and see if you you match up with your photos in the book or the comp card, or especially your current state, your skin, your height, your measurements, to see if they will want to work with you. Alright, up next is my moisturizer. We're using Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. Okay, so during a casting, you may be working with clients or casting agents, photographers, stylists, and people like that. So before you go for a casting, there are some things that you need to know or prepare. Like you have to ask the right questions, like what is this job for, what type of casting this is, and who you're meeting with, and also what should you wear, and also like what you should bring. So yeah, these are the questions that you should ask and prepare before you go for casting. Right now I'm going to jump right into my primer. I'll be using the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. Okay, so what types of castings are there? There are so many, like fashion show casting, commercial casting, lookbook, magazine, catalogs, and many more. But you have to know which one you're going for because it's different with one another. Alright, right now it's time for my foundation. Clinique Even Better Refresh. So for castings, you have to wear your uniform. And I meant by uniform, for girls, usually simple black tank tops and a pair of black jeans, black boots, or sometimes they want you to wear black heels. So this is like your uniform for a casting. The most important thing you have to bring is your comp card. It's like your name card. You have your photo on it, you have your name, your agency's name, your measurements, and yeah, information about you, and also your agency's contact, so they can contact you if they want to work with you. And also sometimes they'll want you to bring some extra necessary stuff, and you have to do a walk, so you have to practice your walk before you go for a casting. And this is my foundation. See, for concealer, I'll be using this Maybelline 25 Medium Fit Me Concealer for my under eye. Okay, right now I'll be talking about what you'll be doing during casting. So once you arrive at the venue, and to add in, you have to arrive at least 15 minutes before the actual casting, so that because sometimes you'll be going for a casting to at a place where you have never been before, and it's very hard to find these studios. Trust me, I have got lost like many times, and usually I have to go like 20 minutes prior to actually look for the venue. So it's better to be early than not too early though, and then to be late. Once you arrive at the venue, they will ask you to ask for your com card first of all. So for me, I would like to introduce myself first, like, hi, my name is May, I'm from Basic Model Management, and I'm here for this casting. And you know, it's all about personality. You have to present yourself so that they remember you. That's what Basic Models taught me. Have a little bit of, you know, personality, not too much, and yeah, make sure that they remember you at the end of the day. Alright, I've done concealing, so I'm gonna jump right into powder. I'll be using this Mercier translucent powder, loose powder. Okay, so where are we? They will ask you to take casting photos. So you do your casting photos, and maybe they will ask you to do a walk. Do your walk. Yeah. Okay, so you put powder all over your face after concealing. You know, you don't want to be too cakey, so you know, you dab it in like this, so it goes into your core and not, you know, just sit on top of your concealer and your foundation. So dab it in. I like to dab this way, like, and also here.
It's hard. Making YouTube videos is hard.
Alright, right now I will be doing my contour with Bahama Mama bronzer from the Balm Cosmetic. This one. Where are we? Sometimes they want you to do a cast fit, and during a cast fit they want you to wear and, you know, redo your walk sometimes to see, you know, how you look with their outfit. So you do cast fit. Then yeah, that will be your casting in general. Okay, right now is for brows. I'll be using Bobbi Brown Mahogany brow kit. Right now I'm gonna jump right into commercial casting. So you arrive at the venue, like I said just now, prepare your com card and take your still shots, casting shots, and then they will want you to do a video as well sometimes, or do photos with their product. Poses like this. Alright, next is my lashes. I will be using this eyelash curler from Sephora. And also for commercial casting, sometimes they will want you to speak and do acting as well. So you know, you have to be very comfortable speaking, and you have to be very comfortable acting out. So this is mascara. I don't like to put too much because that will look unnatural, and usually for castings they will want very simple, natural, sometimes even no makeup. I like to put my lower lash line as well because I don't know, I feel like I have really long lower lashes and I like to show it off sometimes. I don't really like putting eyeshadow, but you can put eyeshadow, but not, you know, very strong bold colors because that will not look natural. Right now I'll be doing my blush. This is Maybelline Fit Me. I think this is number 45. For video castings, they will want you to speak. So you have to introduce yourself, you know, to see how you speak in front of the camera. Like you have to introduce yourself, like your name, your age, where you're from, and your height and your measurements sometimes, and also your hobby. You know, at this point it doesn't really matter what you say, it's just how you say it and, you know, how you look in front of the camera while saying it. So that's the whole point. So that's basically it for commercial castings. You have to act a bit. Make sure to practice your smile because they want very genuine, natural kind of smiles for commercials. Smile. And last but not least, lip gloss. I'll be using my Victoria's Secret Total Shine Edit Love Berry. Okay, so last but not least, magazine casting. For magazine casting, everything is almost the same, but they will want you to do poses. So for magazine casting, it's not, you don't have to do big, you know, dramatic poses. They want to see how you move your body. They want to see how you work with the photographer, and also how you manage the outfits and stuff like that. Alright, to set everything in place, I'll be using this MAC Prep and Prime Fix Matte Spray. Cool. So yeah, that's about it for castings. This is my casting look. It's very simple, very natural, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video and learn a little bit more about castings. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye! Mwah.